guys, Ed here, Top of the Line Training. Just came down to work on the, check my traps. I've been checking those. Went on the trap line. I got a couple more to check. Thought I'd work on the lean-to a little bit. Get a fire going, cook up some soup. Pretty windy day. I got about 3 hours. I'm going to jump on the tree stand. But like I said, it's pretty windy. Deer don't like coming out. Well, they're out, of course, but I don't like moving around too much in this stuff, even with the rut on, because they can't hear. And you know, makes it difficult if predators such as myself and a hunter. But anyway, I'm gonna go see what we can do. Stay with me. Clean up this here. Log. I'm using the Ron Hood Hoodlum knife. Did a review on this. Check it out. I gave my son my Hudson Bay knife, so I'm using this now. Of course, this stuff right here is pretty dry. Alright guys, stay with me. Finish up this log. Start getting the fire going. Got my limbs ready. And get some soup rolling. Like I said, I got a few hours before getting the stand, so I'm gonna get this done. I'll be right back at Top of the Line Training. Working on the lean-to. Basically, guys, got some tool poplar here, processing it down. Here is a piece of horseshoe fungus. Just gonna scrape off some part of it in here, make a dust. That's not going to work out. Keep an eye on this fire here, but here's a piece of the horseshoe fungus. Use a piece of 50 grit sandpaper and just sand it off in there. But it didn't work too good in the bird's nest today. But I'll do a video on this later on. Tell you what, I don't really care what anyone says. Two things you need to bring to the woods is a good pair of work gloves and at least at minimum a small first aid kit. I was doing some shavings and I almost ran the knife in through my hand, but it's got the tip, of course. I gotta watch this fire, guys, but those are two items you always should have with you, even if it's just a small kit with a couple 2x2s, band-aids, tape, a little bit of Neosporin, something like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this fire up and we'll be back. All right, guys, here, top of the line training. Fire rolling. Don't let this wood cook down, burn down. And, get some soup going. Went ahead and took my trap basket, put it up here so it was a windbreak. Probably should have done that prior to, but I didn't. This fire feels really good. About 54 degrees out, but it's chilly today with the wind and stuff. Right before I turned the camera on, a big old tree fell. And I mean, it's like probably 15 yards behind it. Shit, not even that, 10 yards behind it now, 15 yards behind it. Of course, I had the camera on when that was rolling, but anyway, gotta be careful of deadfalls and such. One back here, of course, it's not too big. I tried to push that over, but it wouldn't go. So trap basket's helping out quite a bit. So if you ever got a situation like this, guys, you most definitely want to try to put up some kind of wind screen here, fire or wind break. Said I want to go jump in the tree stand here pretty soon, but man, it's windier than living hell. I don't know about that now, but we'll see. I might try it if it's if it's shaky. I'll just get down, go home, I guess. Let me show you the side of the lean-to here. Got that side built up. I didn't bring a tarp with me, damn it. Well, I got it up in the vehicle. And so what I'm gonna do is start piling debris probably about 3 feet around. See where that log is or that limb is on the outside there. Let me just go show you here. Now I stack debris up all of this right here, all the way around, probably another 3 feet. Hold on, let me back that up. Another 3 feet or so on top of the shelter. They'll start coming down on the sides. But yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. I really don't have time to work on it. I just said to hell with it today. I'm gonna come down, check traps real quick and work on this, have some soup. Like I said, I'm hoping to go jump in the tree stand here in about, well, I would tell you what time it is, but I don't have my damn watch. I lost it, I think. But anyway, we'll see. All right, let me go look for my damn watch. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back with you, top of the line training. After all, I didn't lose my watch. I had it on my wrist here. it does come undone sometimes. I put this little washer, rubber washer around here. Not washer, but shit, can't think of the name of it, but seal. It's coil 2 right now, and I got about an hour or so before I go jump in the tree stand. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit. Very overcast today. It's a good day to hunt actually, but like I said, a lot of deer don't like moving around in this stuff too much because of the wind. They can't hear. Let me go move my stuff out of the smoke here. You can see I got my MSR Seagull pot on the coals there with the soup in it. So we'll see how that turns out. Alright guys, Ed here, Top of the Line Training. I'm not sure if I went over this or not, but I believe I did. But here is my 777 gear $20 Bandit micro pouch, Swiss Army Farmer. Got a little piece of cordage here. Got a Right in the Rain tablet. I normally have a pen in here. I don't know what the hell happened to that, but I have my little med kit here: band-aids, pain relievers, burn gel, bee sting, stomach, a couple quick clots. Let me show you that real quick. I think my pot just went down, but here is this. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit, but it is quick clot basically. It's like a little bandage, so if you have a pretty deep cut, you can put that on and tape it on. So it's nice to have. Got it in this dry lock bag. I just put it over in here like so. I mean, this kit probably weighs maybe just about 8-9 ounces, 10 ounces, I don't know. But comes in real handy. Basic little first aid kit. Normally I have this with a Israeli bandage and a tourniquet. That's, you know, but this is the minimum right here. So, all right, let me check out my soup and get things rocking and rolling here, and I'll be back with you. Ed, Top of the Line. All right, guys, I'm back with you. It took no time to get that soup rolling, of course. Right down there in them hot coals. Those MSR Seagull pots, you can't beat them, man. I'll tell you what. They're great for storage, gathering, cooking in, of course, many things. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have some soup and sit by the fire here, and I'll be back in a moment. Ed, Top of the Line Training. Vegetable beef or whatever it is. Beef in there, corn, tomatoes. If you can come to the woods, and it's not raining. It's not raining. You could build a fire and stay. I don't care really how cold it gets, as long as you have fire and firewood. Keep it stoked up. You can survive. Now if it's raining, now that depends how much it's raining and how wet you are. Fire and cover. Depends how you look at it, but 1 and 1A. Fire. Number 1 to me. If I didn't have this fire rolling, I got plans to go do something. But if I was stuck here with this wind, you know, I have to get out of the wind, of course, but fire, that's the way to go. All right, guys, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this soup. Tomato, some hamburger in there, corn, potatoes. Real good stuff. Make sure that thing's on. All right, guys, get back with me. I'll be back. Top of line training. One thing about when it's windy like this, well, actually two things. One, definitely got to watch your area, make sure you don't burn the place down. But two, when you got wind cooking in here, blowing in like that, it feeds the fire. You're gonna have like a turbo fire. So if you can control your fire, not let it get out of hand, your fire is gonna be like a turbo heater. Whenever this wind comes kicking up through here, man, this thing just like, you know, real hot and heavy. Here it comes. Now, love this MSR Seagull pot. Soup's always a good thing to bring with you. You can get that dehydrated type soup. Get some meat to go in, like a squirrel or something. Good stuff. All right, guys. Soup's gone. Clean up. I got 2 traps to check out that way. And then I'm gonna pack it up and got some damn soup all over my clothes here. I'm gonna pack it up, head up on to the hill, change clothes, go stand in the tree stand for a while. I'll work on the lean-to a little bit more. All right, guys, at top of line training. Still working on the lean-to. You can see it's a pretty rough day. Dreary as hell. It's about almost 3 o'clock. Windy than all get out. Of course, I'm on top of the hill, so it's going to be a little bit more windy up here, of course. But I've been working on the lean-to. You can see here, I'll show you here in a second where I got it, but I pulled some bark and you know, just keep covering it up. I didn't bring a tarp down with me. I'm not going to go get one. It's awful windy anyway. So next time I come down, it's going to be a main mission of filling this up, at least 2 more feet of leaves and debris. And then from there, get this side locked in. I mean, I just got those stacked up there like so, but I've got to get them more secure. So more stakes, and I'm trying not to use a lot of cordage. Of course, I could use natural cordage if I wanted to, but that's not what I want to do right now. So anyway, I just wanted to show you here the build up as it's going. It's looking good. Is it waterproof? No, it's not. I'm sure it would leak, especially in a good hard rain, but could keep you out of the wind, out of the elements like the snow and such. But you know, I still got a lot of work to do on it. Like I said, right now I don't have a lot of time to work on it. I'm deer hunting, I'm checking a trap line. I'm coming down here about every other day, just about, and it's about 1.5 hours away from home. So you know, it takes a lot to get down here. And when I get down here, I want to hunt, and definitely I got to check the trap line, make sure everything's okay. So anyway, all right, just wanted to share it with you one more time. Let me go show you where I got this bark at off this tree here. I got this bark. I'm gonna take it home and dry it out and see if I can process it for fires, or if not tinder or natural cordage. See, it's pretty damn windy out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to deer hunt or not. We'll have to see. Anyway, I stripped this tree here, and it's coming together. Stripped it off pretty well, all the way up till right there, and then down. So, and here it is on the lean-to. So, like I said, I'm gonna get about 2 more feet of debris on here at least, and then like I said, I need to secure these sides a lot better, and then get a lot of debris down in there, and same thing on this side, of course. But I gotta work on my stakes, get me some nice stakes, so that'll be the next time I come down. Said top of line training. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. God bless, take care. Please subscribe, share, like, and please leave me some comments. We'll see you then. Head out.